Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Gsheet. In this video we are going to learn how we can calculate multiple origins and destinations distance in single click. Often we use Google Maps. So I'll search Google Maps. Then what we do in Google Maps, we put origin and destinations every time. So I want to search any type of distance, like I want to search Delhi, then I will search Delhi, and then I have to put origin and destination both. So in this Google Map, I have to give origin and destination distance both. So I want directions from where, so I have to choose my location. So like I want to put here Jaipur to Delhi distance. What is Jaipur to Delhi distance? So this will give our distance 308 kilometer. Okay, but I want this distance from a formula and in automated way. So for this I'll just have to put Jaipur and Delhi. So this formula automatically takes distance from the Google Maps, like you have seen here, 308 kilometer. Look at this and look at this, and you can see that we can take it from Google Maps formula also. So this is a scripted formula. You have to write a script for this formula, and I'll give you this script, don't worry about this. So what is the beauty of this formula? That if you are working in logistics or anywhere where you need to find distances of multiple locations, then this can be useful for you. I will say very much useful, because this gives you instantly the distance of multiple locations, origin, destination. Even you can calculate India and China, like you want distance from India to China. This will also calculate the distance between India and China also. So actually this formula is scripted. So I'll show you how we can write that script and how we can use that script as it is. I can send you that script in description also. You can simply copy that script and put it into your app script. So here in Google Sheets there is a extensions item. Go to app script. Here if you want to write a new script, then you just need to plus and you can write here, but I'll give you this query. Just put this and save this and run this. You just need to run this and save this. You don't need to do anything, just do it. It will automatically run. Okay, so this is like you can do here. If you want key, like I want more distances using this formula, you also can do this. Just put this, okay, Control Shift and V, so that you can see it clearly. Just double click, the distances will appear automatically here. So here you so that multiple distances, multiple origin, multiple destination. If you will go to Google Map, you have to put every time a new distance, new origin and new destination. This will consume your entire day. If you want to calculate above 100 or around 50 locations distance, then you have to give too much time. But this formula can save your day and can give you a big smile in morning. Thanks. Like, share and subscribe this video, and I promise you I'll give you this script in this video. You just need to go extension app script and just put that script and run that. You don't need to do anything more, and just use this formula. Google Maps A to B to origin, destination, and write just kilometers in double column. Okay, thanks, best of luck, and subscribe my YouTube.